make orange peel powder at home. Start by collecting fresh, organic oranges. Wash them thoroughly to remove any pesticides. Once clean, peel the oranges, making sure to get as much of the zest as possible. Lay the peels flat on a baking sheet and let them dry in a warm, sunny spot for a few days, or you can speed up the process by using an oven set to the lowest temperature. Once the peels are completely dry and brittle, it's time to blend. Place the dried peels in a blender or spice grinder and pulse until you achieve a fine powder. This powder is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, making it a fantastic addition to smoothies, teas, or even homemade face masks. Store your orange peel powder in an airtight container away from light to keep it fresh. Not only is this a great way to reduce waste, but it also adds a burst of citrus flavor and nutrition to your dishes. Enjoy your homemade orange peel powder.